Counting transfers and stopover. When passenger is taking any via point in the itinerary is called as via point or transfer point. It is further divided into two parts. The very first one is stopover point and the second one is no stopover point. Stopover point. Staying in via point for more than 24 hours is called as stopover point. Now the question arises that how to identify the stopover point. Any via point with no X/code is a stopover point. No stopover point. Staying in via point for less than 24 hours is called as no stopover point. In the itinerary, it is denoted with X/code. Guidelines for one-way journey. To identify stopover point in one-way journey, count all intermediate points with a stop of more than 24 hours as a stopover point, or count all intermediate points which has no X/code as a stopover point. To identify transfer point in one-way journey, include all intermediate points as transfer point. This include stopover and connecting points. Do not include the origin and the destination when counting stopovers and transfers. Now to make you understand more, we'll see this example. Now here we have the itinerary. The journey is Frankfurt, Cairo, Bombay, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore and Jakarta. Now here we have to identify the origin. The origin point will be the Frankfurt. Destination point will be the Jakarta. Transfer point. Transfer points means via points. And the transfer points are Cairo, Bombay, Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Next we'll identify the stopover point. Stopover points means staying in via city